Onan generator remote stop doesn't work. I've got a Onan generator model number 4.0KYFA/26100H that will start with the remote switch but won't shut off with it. The stop switch on the generator itself works. I've switched the leads on the remote switch between stop and start, but with the same results, so the remote switch itself is good. Any help? Thanks much.
Hello, my name is XXXXX I am going to assist you with this. Exactly which leads did you swap at the remote?
Hi Hank. The switch had 3 leads. I switched both switch end wires so the start position would stop the generator and the stop position would start the generator. Same effect, the stop position started the generator but the start position did nothing. That tells me that the switch works, so it must be something at the generator itself.
That was what I thought you were saying, but I had to verify. Here is what I would like you to do. Remove the front cover from the genset. In the front left corner, you will see an 8-pin connector, with one side of the harness going out through a hole in the left side of the genset, and the other side of the harness going down under the controller. Disconnect this plug. On the side of the harness going down to the controller, locate the wires marked J2A, J2B and J2C. Use a paper clip or a short piece of wire, and jumper from J2B to J2C. This should cause the genset to crank and start. Don't worry, there is no voltage going through those wires, so it will not hurt you. After the unit starts, jumper from J2B to J2A. This should cause the genset to shut down. Does it?
Hank, jumping J2B to J2C did nothing. I started the generator with the local switch. Once running, jumping J2B to J2A shut it down. Unless I got the wires wrong. On one row of 4 wires, there were only 3 in a row. I assumed that these were J2A, B, C. There was an A, B, C marked on the outside of the connector, so I'm sure I at least had the A, B, C right.
Yes, those will be the correct wires. But I did make a mistake, and I apologize. Pin A is the common ground. I was thinking it was pin B for some stupid reason. Pin B is the stop pin, and pin C is the start pin. A to C should have started the set, and A to B should have shut it down, which it did. This means that the problem is not in the genset, but in the wiring harness between the plug at the genset and the remote switch. You need to ohm that wire out from end to end, and check it for a break. Sometimes the break will be inside a wall somewhere, and you cannot get to it. If you can find the break and repair it, great. But sometimes you simply have to run a new wire.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.